In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to build a peer-to-peer messaging system on Wix. We will go through the steps to establish a community where members can interact through private and group chats. Let's start by integrating Wix Chat into your site. To do this, you need to launch your Wix editor. You'll find a menu option on the left side of your screen titled Add Apps. Click on this and then proceed to look for Wix Chat. Once you've located it, make sure you add it to your website. This effectively sets up the primary framework for our messaging system. Next, let's proceed to enabling members' chat functionality. For this, you'll need to visit the dashboard of your site and access the chat settings. As you scroll down these settings, you will notice a section labeled Members Chat. Here, you'll find an option to enable the Members Chat, which should currently be toggled off. You're going to want to toggle this option to Enabled. By doing so, any member who logs into your site will be able to engage in chat conversations with other members, and even have the ability to create group chats. Now, for Members Chat to function properly, your site needs to have a few additional components. These include a members area and at least one social app, such as the Wix blog or Wix forum. So if you don't have a dedicated area for members installed and functional, now is the time to do so. Also, take a moment to integrate a social app if you haven't already. The next step in this process pertains to member registration and the joining of your community. Ensure that when members register for your website, they are presented with the option to join a community. It's important that at least one member of your site opts to join this community, as it will promote interaction and kickstart your newly created messaging system. The final step is managing your members' chat. As the site manager, you have control over which members have access to the chat. Managing your site members from the Wix dashboard provides you with this control. With this capability, you can regulate private and group chats among members, ensuring that your new peer-to-peer messaging system runs smoothly and efficiently. By following these guided steps, you have now successfully set up a peer-to-peer messaging system on your Wix site. This will definitely enhance communication and interaction within your online community.